Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about how to install an IDE for C. Okay, so you guys can see there is this IDE called CodeBlocks, which is very famous. You guys can download and install this IDE. I'm gonna click on downloads and you guys will see the download page. You guys can click and download the binary release to download. I already have downloaded here, so I'm gonna show you guys how to install this IDE. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit. So you guys would download this CodeBlocks 17.12 with the Ming W compiler. So let's just double click it and we will install this. There is also this Dev C++ IDE, okay, which is very old, but it's also widely used for beginners. But don't worry about that right now, because if you install CodeBlocks, you'll be alright. Okay, so let's just click next, install. The installation would take quite a bit depending on your hard drive, because it's going to copy all the files to the folders and so on. So this IDE is very good because it already comes with a compiler to compile C programs. We're gonna use GCC. Okay, actually we can use MigW, but if you are on Ubuntu, you probably use GCC to compile C files. Okay, because C needs to compile the source code into an executable file. There is something that is peculiar to the language. So it's almost there. The installation process is not that long after all. So let's just wait a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, it's almost there. If you guys have any trouble while installing this program, you guys can comment down below and I will help you out. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Yes. Just click yes. I wanna run CodeBlocks right now. Let's start CodeBlocks right away. If you guys want to try Dev C++, you are free to do so. It's very similar. They are not that different. Okay, so my CodeBlocks is initializing on my first monitor, and I'm recording the second monitor, so you guys we'll be able to see the what's it called? It's I forgot the name. Splash screen, I think. Yeah, splash screen. So you guys can see, yeah, we're gonna use the GCC compiler. Okay, so you guys can see, let's set as default. Let's click OK, and after that we are finally able to initialize CodeBlocks properly. So you guys can see we are initialized CodeBlocks. I click and yes, associate CodeBlocks with every supported type, including project files from other IDEs. Okay, so there you go, guys. We have successfully installed CodeBlocks. So thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time.